If you are looking for gift ideas for the freelancer in your life, there are two things you need to consider. It has to be cute and it has to be functional. Lucky for you, we have a list of gifts that are perfect. If there is one thing freelancers need in their life, is organization. So what better gift than a really cute planner? This one from Poketo is especially nice because it divides all months of the year into weeks and it breaks it down day by day. A mug warmer is an excellent addition to any freelancer's desk, especially because it's going to keep that coffee hot in between meetings. A laptop stand is a little more functional than cute, but it works because it helps out so many freelancers when you're away from home. Work-life balance is something that every freelancer needs, and what better way to motivate them to get that work-life balance than by gifting them an aromatherapy candle. Friends don't let friends get arthritis, so what better gift for your freelancer than an ergonomic mouse? Last but not least is this really cute travel mug in the shape of a camera lens for any of your photography freelance friends. Let us know what you're gifting your freelance friends in the comments below.